Okay, everybody, so let's go ahead and get right into this. We're going to do our giveaways for my Etsy shop for both May and June in this video. So we're going to get this all done. I know I'm a day late and a dollar short on the May giveaway. I apologize to all of you for that. Boy, but they've been working me like crazy at work, and so I have not had a ton of excess time, which I'm trying to fix. I'm trying to make it so that I am spending a little more time working on my projects and my videos and all that good stuff. I just have to better coordinate my time. So anyway, so for the May giveaway, that's the first one we're going to do. The heart is going to be the prize for the $50 and more spenders. So this person will win the heart, these hand-rolled roses. These are chiffon, and it's an ivory color. They're going to get this butterfly included. And this is one of my resined paper butterflies, and it's a double, as you can see, embellished and everything, and it's got glass glitter on it. And then I have a handful of my double tiny butterflies that I'm including in this package. And they are all extremely beautiful. And these are all just resined. There is one butterfly in this package that is glass glittered, and that would be this one. The rest of them do not have glass glitter on them. Let's see if I can get it to show you. Yeah, there you go. So the rest of them are just resined, but they look beautiful. Some of them look like porcelain china. They came out so gorgeous. So those will be in with the heart for the winner of the $50 shoppers for my Etsy shop. And then for the $25 shoppers, this is the prize that they will be getting. So it is a page of my resined butterflies. And this row here is glass glittered. The rest of them are just resined. And you can see how these, in this, especially this top row, they look like, they just look like porcelain china. They came out so gorgeous. It's the print that made them look that way. I need to make some more of those. And then these other designs that you'll get here. So this is going to be the $25 shopper winner. So, and the $25 ones, we've only got 2 people in competition for that one. So it's a 50-50 chance for those 2 people. This one, I've got 7 people included in this drawing. Those people are Deanna Grooms, Diane Giroux. Gosh, I couldn't even read my own writing. Deanna Grooms, Diane Giroux, Rhonda Rail, Susan Straw, Robin Rosander, Sherry Lorang, and Judy McMurtry. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw our $50 winner first. We have 7 people in here that are in this drawing. So we're going to go ahead and make sure none of these are stuck together. And they are not. So let's get them good and mixed up. Okay, so you guys can see they're nicely mixed up. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pick our winner for this one, and our winner for the heart is Deanna Grooms. Congratulations, Deanna. I'm excited for you, but you're going into the June raffle as well because you're part of that one. So Deanna, congratulations. And everybody, if you would just, at the end of the video or during the video, if you would just send out a congratulations to all of the winners for these raffles, I would greatly appreciate it. They love hearing from you guys, and you know, they've been a huge help to me, not only in my channel, but my Etsy store. And, you know, I just, my cup runneth over with the generosity of my subscribers. I can't tell you guys enough. I adore all of you, and you know, this makes my day to be able to give back to you guys. So Deanna is the winner of the heart. So Deanna, I'm putting that aside. Oh, I can't leave that in there because you're in the June raffle too. So you're going over here with the June people. Okay, and some of these are in the June raffle as well, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull those aside and put them with the June ones. Okay, that one's just May, so we'll put that there. Okay, this one is May and June. May and June. Some of these people shop in my shop quite often, you guys, so I'm very blessed to have such loyal shoppers. I appreciate it more than you guys will ever know. Okay, so that's it for our $50 winner, and I'm going to set that heart aside, and now we're going to pick the winner of our butterflies. And again, we only have two people competing for this one for the month of May. And that is Sandy Robinson and Delana Halford. So you guys, you guys each have a 50-50 chance. So let's see who is going to be our winner. Let's see. Sandy Robinson. Congratulations, Sandy. You will be getting your package of butterflies, and I can put your name in the package because you're not in the June raffle, so we're good there. So congratulations, Sandy. Thank you so much for shopping in my Etsy store. I appreciate you more than you know. You've been a blessing to us. Okay, so that is it for May. So let's move on now. We're going to go ahead and get to our June raffles. So for June, our prizes are, this is for the $50 winner. And our $50 winner is going to be getting what? One of my bumblebees. And these are all people who spent $50 and more in my Etsy shop that are getting entered into this drawing. And there's one of my purple fairies. Isn't she gorgeous? This is one of my small clear butterflies. And it's got a nice dangle charm on it and everything. Very, very pretty. And we have this butterfly. And we have a gecko. And the gecko also has glass glitter on its body. So he's very sparkly and gorgeous. And then we've also got some images. I've got images of some butterflies that I've used to make some of my butterflies. And so there's a whole bunch of different designs for you guys. We've got a couple of patriotic ones. We've got my pretty blue butterflies. I stuck a couple in there. And then we have some card tags. And these are all some of the favorite designs in the card tags that you guys like so much. So I included those in there as well. So that is the prize for our $50 shoppers. So let me go ahead and get these back in their little bag here so that nothing gets misplaced. And you can go right there. Okay, so this is our $50 shoppers. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add all of those people. I dropped one here. Make sure I didn't drop more than one. Okay. So that is, what are these? These are the tosses. That's a 25. That's a 50. 25. That's a 50. That's a 25. And those are blank. Okay. All right, so we should have 7 here too. So we've got 2, 4, whoops, 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, so they're all there. And so the people that have been entered into the June drawing, or the June raffle for this prize are Rhonda Rail, Sherry Lorang, Diane Giroux, Susan Straw, Melba Tate, Deanna Grooms, and Debbie Cottrell. So you guys are all in here. Hopefully we will pick a new winner. Let's see who gets these beautiful bits and pieces. Okay. Just make sure I get it all good and mixed up. So, which one should I pick? Nobody knows. Okay, let's go ahead and go with this one. And our winner for June for this package is Diane Giroux. Congratulations, Diane. I will get this out to you as soon as I can, which will be within the probably, hopefully these will go out in the within the next couple of days. So, congratulations, Diane. I can close yours up with your name in it because I don't have to do anything else with this. It's all set to go. So congratulations, Diane. And thank you, thank you, thank you for all you do for me. You have been a star shopper in my Etsy store, and you've been a rock star with my YouTube channel as well. So I appreciate you so much, Diane. Thank you. I appreciate every one of you that got into this drawing. So congratulations. Now we are going to do our $25 prize winner, and the $25 prize winner is going to get this little, I guess you'd say 4-fold. It's not a bifold, it's a, I don't know. Anyway, so it folds 4 ways. This is a little Post-it notepad. And you can see the inside has these little llamas in it. They're so cute. But I didn't want the llama that was on the front. I wanted to do something different. So I added this beautiful girl to the inside cover. And this is what I did to the outside of this. I just really made this for myself, and I decided, no, I'm going to give this away to one of my very deserving customers in the raffle. So it's well worth winning. I love it. You guys are going to love it. Whoever wins it is going to love it. So I am not concerned about that whatsoever, that it's different on the outside than the inside. And you know what? That kind of goes along with people too, right? So that's okay. We are all different. Sometimes we look way different than we act. So anyway, so we're going to put this back in the bag, and we are going to draw our winner for this one. Okay, so let's get going, you guys. So, oh, I'm sorry, the $25 people, I don't think I called those names, are Marjorie Rivera, Judy McMurtry, and Janelle Cook. So good luck, you guys. Okay, let's see who it's going to be. Judy McMurtry. So congratulations, Judy. You're my winner of the little book. So I will be getting that out to you soon. And thank you to everybody who participated in my Etsy shop raffles and shopped in my store. You guys have, you know, just done so much for us, and I look forward to doing the next giveaway. I'm working on the packages for the July giveaway and should have that ready within, I have today and tomorrow off from my other job. So I should be able to get that all worked out and figured out and then put out an announcement as to what those prizes are going to be. It'll just come out in one of my regular videos, you guys. So I'm not going to make a separate video that is just for my Etsy shop giveaway. Those videos don't tend to do too well because not everybody shops in the store. And so if they don't, of course, they're not interested in that raffle. So I don't get as many viewers on those, and to me I think it's better if I just add it to a regular video, let you guys know what the prizes are, and you know, you can make your decision from there as to whether or not you want to get involved in the raffle. So that is it for my May and June raffles for my Etsy shop giveaways. Congratulations to all my winners. Don't forget to comment on this video, y'all, and give them all a shout out and a congratulations. And if you would, please give this a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate that. Need those thumbs up to get myself in better in the set up better in the algorithms, so that YouTube will put me in front of more viewers. We need those viewers, you guys. We need to get this channel to grow. I did hit my $8,000, or I wish $8,000, my 8,000 subscriber mark. So I will be doing that video hopefully today too. So I got to figure out that prize as well. So I got a lot of figuring out to do, organizing to do, and I want to do something that really is very nice. I may even decide to choose one of my projects that I've already completed that is beautiful. I've got so many of them. I wanted to show you guys something too that I got. Oh my word. Oh, and you guys, I got more crystals. My friend Kim sent me a whole bag of crystals again, so I don't have to scrimp and save on these. So I have a whole jar of my beautiful crystals that will last me a while now. Super excited. But Kim also, you guys aren't going to believe this. It is so beautiful. And I don't want to touch it. It is, everything about this is perfect, exactly the way it is. Look at this, you guys. This is a jewelry box. Kim bought this and sent it to me, and I was just overwhelmed at how gorgeous it is. Look at that. I love this so much, and this is something I am not going to alter at all. I'm keeping this. This is going on my dresser in my bedroom, and that's where it's going to live, at least for now. It may come out and go into my living room space, but I don't have a spot for it right now, so it's going to go in my bedroom so I can see it every morning when I get up. And I'm going to keep my rings and my earrings and my bracelets that I wear on the regular in here. So I just love this, Kim. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Girl, I just love it so much. And I'm going to get so much enjoyment out of this. So I appreciate you, and I love you, and thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And you guys, woohoo! Look what I got. Anyway, that's it, you guys. I just want to tell you all to please be safe, be well, be kind to those around you, particularly to yourselves. Love your families, and just be well, you guys. God bless you all, and have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.